Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset the settings app on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To reset settings app, click on Start menu, right click on Settings. Now click on App Settings. Now scroll down. You will find an option here, Reset. Click on the Reset button. Resetting is started. The system app setting has been reset. Now, if you want, you can click on Repair. And if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. So click on Reset again. Now click on Reset. The Reset app on Windows 11 computer has been reset successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.